Hey cherries, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to prepare my dinner with you, and these are the ingredients. That's rice, these are tomatoes and onions. I then have my paprika, the green ones. Like, oh, imagine those ones are not even enough. That they are just for 2 people. This is a meal of 2. Yeah, the salt. I have with me the minced meat. It's frozen. I have my spices here with me. Like, I don't take spices with acid, which are acidic, so I try to avoid them as much as possible. Yeah, and these ones are my favorite. Paprika and garlic and ginger. I have, yeah, here is my garlic. I love garlic so much. And finally, the bowl that I will use to mix everything. I had forgotten the tomato paste, which is a must. Yeah. So guys, today nataka nionyeshe how to cook my favorite meal. Hapa nisheka mchele ndani na nika mix kitunguu. I thought I was recording but I was not. So nimeka mchele ijaoshwa, ni safi but haijaoshwa. Because nikiosha ipate maji itaharibu. Na tunafai kumix kila kitu hapa ndani bila maji. So nimeka mchele, nimeka kitunguu yangu. Acha nichukue minced meat, ilikuanga kwa fridge so ni mawe, so nimeiweka kwa microwave imelt kidogo. Sijui, I don't know, acha tuone vile itakuwa. Karibu hivi. Kwa sawa. Then tuweke minced yetu ndani. Perfect. Oh. Then tuweke salt. Guys, hapa ni kutumia macho. Unaweza pima ukitaka. Then tuweke ginger kidogo. Halafu mtoto wangu ameamka. Alafu niweke my paprika. I love this. Hii ni must kwa chakula yangu. So kesho ndeka mingi kidogo. Inaletanga flavor poa sana kwa food. Then I want to add this herbal seasoning mix. Kidogo. Mimi si fan wa spices. So kidogo jiko ready na salt na nimeweka salt. Yeah, so nini. Hi baby. What do you want? So guys, I'm now going to add the ginger to make it. Ginger, it's in, then my chopped tomatoes. Yeah. Baba. See? Then I'm going to add my tomato paste. Okay, this baby of mine will not let me be, jameni. What are you looking? Yeah, so I'm going to add this inside. Put as much as you want. It's your food. Si tunapikia mtu kwa hoteli. Pika kenye unataka. Want to add a lot of ginger, add. A lot of onions, add. It's your food. Yeah? Hey guys, so this is how it looks. I've been able to convince my son to go and watch, so that I can have time. This is how it looks. Everything is in here. You can add dhania if you want, corianders. I don't have any. So add whatever you like. Whatever spice you like, add it inside. Then let's mix. Guys, at this point you can add oil inside kidogo if you want. Yeah, or you can add later like I will do, you'll see. it's better you clean your hands, then do it with your hands. It will do better. What is it, Baba? Go and take porridge. What do you want? Nini Baba unataka? What do you want? This smells good. Guys, najua mnashindwa hoho inawekwa wapi. Okay, that's how it looks. Let me show you how it's done. This is the hoho. You cut this top part like that, then you remove the inner one. Baby, what is it? You see? Like that. Then so guys, I'm done. Nimeifanya off camera kwa sababu my son is really stubborn. So this is what I came up with. Kuna hii jatoshia ndani, so I'm trying to fix it somewhere. But yeah, see. Yumminess. Alafu the bones nikaziweka huku katikati ndio ziive pamoja. So yeah. So what I'm going to do, ile kamcheli natoshana hivi almost. So hapa I've added tomato paste and water. Okay, and water. I will add very small salt, very small amount of salt, because niliona ni kama nimeweka chumvi mob kwa the mixture yetu. Kidogo sana, very small. Then I'm going to add oil. Dogo. It's not a must, by the way. It's not a must. But tomato paste is good for the sauce, for that sweet sauce when you're eating the stuffed hoho. Then umwage ndani uko katikati. That's how it looks. Unaona maji uko ndani? Then let's cover it and take it to the stove to cook. So guys, the food is still cooking, as you can see. Thank you for coming around to pick a dinner pamoja. So today I wanted to papigia a story, but my son woke up. So I was not able to do it. I just decided to make the dinner for us today. And yeah, and I'll a story the next time. Yeah, the story is burning me, so I have to tell you about it. Okay? Yeah, so guys, this food is a Turkish food. I learned how to make this food from Turkey, and it's a very sweet food. If you are tired of eating same food every week after the other, please try this. This one is sweet. It's like utapenda. Because imagine you just mix all the things that you like to eat or the spices you like inside. Manzi. Then you stuff the paprika. You stuff the paprika with everything that you have mixed. Manzi inakuwa tamu zaidi. I know most of you think hoho is for just kutengeza salad ama kukatia kwa food ukipika. Let me teach you now. This is another food on another level, and please try it at home. Try it at home and come to the comment box and tell me what you think. Tell me how is the taste. Tell me how you felt after eating. It is not hard, it's very easy. You use what you have to make it. You don't have to go and look for extra things, and that is the good thing about it. So when the food is ready, I'll show you guys, but for now, keep on subscribing. I love you. Also cooking my baby's porridge. Yeah, so this is the end of the video. Giza ishaingia. We want to eat our dinner, and this is how it looks. It's delicious, guys. It's sweet. Yeah, and the remaining stew, the sauce, unaweza mwagilia juu ama weke side venye unataka. I'm not good at dressing the plate. Bora mtu akule ashibe. I love greens in all my food. Hakuna chakula yangu kosa greens. So that's just me. Yeah guys, see you.